Hello everybody! Today we got an ACG haul. So I finally picked up this order. Had no hydro for like 5 days, so you know, kind of sucked, but I got my order and things are looking good. So first item I picked up, I will not be going through it today. I'll be doing a separate video on this bad boy, are the ACG Mountain Fly Low Gore-Tex Special Edition. Show you them real quick because I'm doing a whole other video on these. Stay tuned for that if you're interested in them. Yes, very cool shoes, but not the focus of today's video. Sadly, I'll put the link in the description though, so if you guys are interested in seeing more about these shoes, you can go check out that video now. Okay, next item, very cool, are these ACG Summit pants. I've wanted them forever, and I had a 10% off coupon, so I was like, you know, now's the time. May as well just do it. I really wanted these white ones, and now I can use them as shorts for the winter, which is really cool. They're removable at the knee, which is very nice, because now I have shorts for the summer, and then pants for the winter. I think I said shorts for the winter. I don't even know. But yeah, shorts for the summer, pants for the winter. So sick, and I didn't even realize it was orange underneath. I love that too, that little color pop. That's gonna look so nice. It's kind of like a olive greenish, brownish, like maybe even like yellowish, goldish ACG logo over here. Very nice. That's on the where is that? Oh yes, on the left side. Then you got some pockets going down with some zippers all over them. Like, these are some crazy layered pockets, like 2 zippers on each pocket, I think. Yeah, like these pockets are crazy. No pockets on the lower leg part. Then you go up, you got just like the classic side pockets, and those even have zippers on them, so that's nice. Gotta love that. A little bit of few stitching errors, like there's some stitching hanging out. I don't know if you can see that in the video. It's kind of annoying, but I'll trim them off. Or just watch out for them. It's got drawstrings at the bottom. I didn't realize that, so you can tighten it up if you don't like it loose at the bottom. It comes with that built-on ACG belt. I've tried this before on my shorts, so I know what the belt's like. It's just easy, little clip-on access. It's built in. Very nice. I love that. Then you also get the little carabiner, whatever it's called, clip. You can hold up to 1.1 kilograms. Oh. Yeah, all conditioned silver carabiner clip thing on the waist as well. And then you got the 1 zipper butt pocket. They look big, but like, looks like they'll fit me solid because I'm tall. I'm like tall-ish. So I'm gonna try these on. Love this color. Like, I just do not want to stain it. The material feels nice. It's like a splash pant, like almost, but it's still got like that canvasy feel to it. Really like it. I'm gonna try these on. I got them in medium. They retail for $220. They're insanely expensive. Hoping they're my favorite pants ever. I really hope. And yeah, move to zero. You know, Nike's movement. Try to recycle. Got that same color, that gold green lime, like not lime, like greenish, brownish ACG logo on the end of the belt, embroidered on both sides as well. So you've got the ACG logo action, Nike ACG. You got your tag in here with a little recycled logo, so you know it's recycled, made in Indonesia. The ACG logo, very cool. Stay until the end if you want to see a close-up, all the details, and that preview, like I always say. If you want to check that out, a little montage, you should definitely do that. And the last item, 3 for 3. 3, you know, good luck. 3 through 3, that's my number. 3, you know. Shooting threes out here. Boo, 613, where I'm from. We bought ourselves a long sleeve shirt, and this one's very cool, like the Icelandic, kind of like iceberg, for Matty Ice, Icyberg Productions. So I got a new shirt for the show. It's got all conditioned gear down the side in this nice speedy print. And nothing on this side, just a loose frickin' thread. And then you got the tag on the bottom, ACG on both sides, a little bit of fraying, like a little bit of loose threading on there. Not bad at all. It's a pretty good print. Looks like a good size. Looks like it's it'll be a little bit oversized. Chill fit. I thought there was more design on it though, honestly. Like I thought there was something on this arm, but I guess it's just this cool iceberg with the Nike ACG means all condition gear, and all conditions means all conditions iceberg. ACG, very cool. It's that like high quality, like durable print. Very nice. You got that tag inside, medium, not bad. Nike, if you didn't know, Nike ACG fits oversized. So yeah, just a heads up. If you are ordering, if you're a medium, I'd recommend going small. But I just like that oversized fit, so I don't really mind. Even if you dry it, it'll shrink a little bit too. You know, so it's all about like figuring out your own size. Made in Vietnam. Yeah, then it's just got the all condition gear down the side. I thought it was more, but you can't go wrong with a quality white tee. This retails for $55. Yeah, I saw it a long time ago on some other website. It was like a limited release and it sold out. So I really wanted to pick it up when I saw it released on this store. And yeah, I love ACG. So stay till the end for that preview. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. I even got some ACG on right now. Whole fit, actually, is ACG. Yeah. It says ACG in here. Very cool. So, yeah. Maya was making noise earlier. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what you thought about the products. And go check out that Gore-Tex shoe because it's so sick. I am so excited for that video. So I got it on here. It actually fits perfect. Like, I love, like, it fits perfect on the arms. And then it's a little bit longer on the torso. But I love, that's like the loose fit. It even says on the tag, loose fit. Oh, the tag's still on. It even says on the tag, loose fit. I think it fits awesome and looks so nice. Like, I really like white on me. I just gotta keep it clean. I love the design. I think this shirt is so sick. Got the design down the arm. I'm like 5'10". I forgot to say that in my other videos, I guess. But yeah, it's a sick long sleeve. Like, see, it's like tight. It's like normal on the arms, but then it's like baggy. So it's like, it's meant to be like that. ACG just knows me, you know? It's my fit. So sick piece. Sick piece. Dripping, crippin'. So, now for the ACG pants. I'll flex my undies quick. They're flex. These, hopefully my nuts don't fall out. These are Flatbush Zombies. Bonus. Flatbush Zombie. The Glorious Dead. Underpants. Pretty dope. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm already staining these. Now, the grand reveal. See how these pants fit. I've been wanting them for so gosh darn long. And so far, very big. Very loose fitting. Not like the Patagonia ones. The Patagonia ones fit me like way better. These are so baggy. Like, except on the waist, it's like perfect. Like, I wouldn't want to go small because the waist would be way too tight on here. The waist is like perfect, but then they're just like huge. I think it's just like, that's how it's just meant to be. On the legs, sorry, I'm just going to look in the mirror. Yeah, I think that's just how it's meant to be. On the legs, they are so crazy baggy. Like, here, I'll angle this better so you guys can see. You see the fit, you see the drip. The pants look sick. Sorry for the Maya hair everywhere, it's kind of gross. Power just turned on, so tonight I'm probably gonna try and clean. See those drawstrings? Those are gonna need to be like tied up. Just like that. I think these are so dope. And then, if I actually don't want the pant, I think the shorts are gonna fit way more fire. A little bit difficult of a removal. You slide these bad boys off. Can you see? Oh, what the heck? It's blue on this side, actually. Like, damn. It's blue on this side, so we got blue and orange. Pretty fire. I think that's cool. I thought it was just orange. So you know I can match the colors with the subtlety. Because I love the details. I'm all about the details. That's what you're paying for. And like I thought, These shorts are fire. I can even roll them up just to show off the color if I want. But yeah, the shorts fit perfect because it's like perfect in the waist, and then like just like very like fitted, but like a little bit of bagginess. Like the cargos are very nice from ACG, but I don't know why the legs are so baggy. Maybe for like easier access, just like more comfort, I guess. But I think it's so dope. Like the dopest shorts. That's what I was like. There's no point in paying like almost the same price for some shorts when I can get the full thing, you know? And yeah, that's it. I think this is a fire fit, fire cop, fire pieces, fire haul. I'm so excited to rock this stuff and live it up in my fresh new stuff. And like I say, stay till the end and you can see it all, bro. I'm saying, I'll do the preview for you. Peace.